Dan Deming of KKM Financial joins me now. And Dan, the market has been heading higher this week. We saw some strong buying in defense stocks and some big sectors moving here. What's your take?
Yeah, I mean, you continue to see that rotation, Angie, and you're right. Now, Monday we had some weakness, but then we saw the market basically react positively when the tariff news came out that it was going to be less than what the market had anticipated, and we're continuing to see that rally again. So I think, the one thing I find very interesting, and as you said, the defense stocks and defensive-oriented stocks as well, when you look at some of the names, the Dow really outperforming, most of the other major averages once again this week, and that's been the theme for the last month. So we are seeing a rotation here into what you would consider either stocks that are lagging, but also what would be considered more defensive stocks and more defensive positioning when you look at the likes of a Johnson & Johnson or a Caterpillar or some of these other names, 3M being three of the names that are showing good signs right now.
Absolutely. What do you think is going to happen as we're now heading higher with yields as well at the same time?
Yeah, it's not too unusual for markets to rise with rates, particularly in the early stages. And so to this point, I think the Fed has to be fairly happy with the fact that they've been able to maintain this trajectory and the market hasn't reacted too negatively at this point. So I think the expectations are that next week the Fed's going to move again, most likely in December. Yet the market knows that, so again, that's been priced in. So at this point, you would say that even if rates do rise a little bit over the next 6 months, the market appears to be in the position to handle that.
Thank you so much for coming on the show. Have a good trading day.
All right, thanks for having me, Ange.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.